How to receive USDT on Binance. So if you want to receive USDT in Binance, let me show you step by step how to do it. After you open your Binance app like this, so the first thing to do, you tap on this add funds. After you tap on this add funds, so now you tap on this on chain deposit. So from this option, now you go ahead and now you go and tap on the search button and search for USDT and select the USDT. After you select the USDT, so now there is network. So tap on this network section. So now you choose the network. So I would advise you to choose this one, BSC, Binance Smart Chain. So from there, now here is your address. So now you copy this address. After you copy this address, now you send the address to the person who will send you the USDT and tell him that you use Binance Smart Chain Network, that's BSC network. And that's it, guys. Just copy the address and send the address to the person. Or you can just tap on this save and share button and share this screenshot to the person so that the person can just scan this QR code and send you the USDT through the QR code you send him. And that's it, guys. You can just tap on this save button and now you save the image in your phone, and then you can just send the picture to the person, and the person will be able now to send you the USDT by scanning the QR code like this one. If this video helps you out, don't forget to like and subscribe.